Hello, in this video we have to study practical number 3, performance of a diode. In circuit diagram consists of first quadrant operation. It is having input supply 0 to 50 volt, resistor, this is milliammeter, dB3 diode, and it is voltmeter for measurement of voltage. In this case, MT1 it is connected with negative supply and MT2 it is connected with positive supply. So it is called as first quadrant operation. Now for this circuit diagram, here we are having kit of a diode. This kit consists of 0 to 50 volt DC supply, this is diode 1, MT1 terminal, MT2 terminal, by using this knob we can provide variable supply from 0 to 50 volt DC supply. It is an ammeter for measurement of current. It is a resistor. It is having provision for measurement of voltage by using a multimeter or voltmeter. Now we can implement the circuit of diode on breadboard also in alternative manner. This is a diode, it is a resistor, and 50 volt power supply it is taken from this kit. Now we can observe when we vary input voltage from 0 volt, when we vary this power supply from 0 volt, then we have to observe the value on this multimeter for voltage across this diode. Now I increase value of voltage in small steps and I will record the output voltage. As I increase the input voltage, so voltage across the diode it will change from 0 to 7, 8. It increases gradually. This thing it can be plotted on XY axis or on the graph paper. So in this diagram, as you can observe, it is graph of voltage versus current. Initially voltage value will increase from 0 up to this point. This point is called as VBO, breakover point, and at this point the value of current it will increase suddenly and value of voltage it drops to a small value or at lower value.